Says you can shake it and does some other stuff. But
That's cool.
I like cool toys, especially if they make lights and sounds. This one doesn't make. You can press the top of it. Has a couple different songs from the show. Alright. That's the other song. I wonder how many it has. It don't really say. It just says song, shake, and play. It also has a button on top. Cool. Oh, it's funny. It made a little like bye-bye sound. So now it's not going to do anything if you shake it. That's the deal if you turn it off. Yep. So there you go. If it's off, it won't do much. Turn it back on. Anyway, it's a cool little toy. Yay!